about to hear sounds unreal. A Cadillac priced at $1.2 million, powered by a V16 engine in 2026. In a world obsessed with downsizing and silence, Cadillac just did the unthinkable, and the internet hasn't stopped talking since. The moment you see the 2026 Cadillac V16 Roadster, you understand this was never meant to be normal. The design feels like a love letter to classic American luxury, but rewritten for the modern elite. That long, endless hood, the low-slung stance, the flowing curves, and the deep emerald paint that looks different under every ray of light. This car doesn't arrive quietly. It commands attention before the engine even starts. And then, there's the heart of this monster, a V16 engine. 16 cylinders in an era where even supercars are apologizing for their fuel consumption. Cadillac didn't just bring it back for nostalgia, they refined it. The power delivery is smooth, effortless, almost graceful. This isn't a car that screams for attention, it whispers confidence. The sound is deep, rich, and composed, like a luxury orchestra rather than a chaotic roar. Acceleration feels unreal, not because it throws you violently into the seat, but because it doesn't need to. Torque comes in waves, smooth and relentless. You feel like the car is barely trying, even when it's moving at serious speed. This Roadster wasn't built for lap times or drag races. It was built to dominate highways, private roads, and presence itself. Step inside, and suddenly the price doesn't feel as crazy. The interior is pure craftsmanship, hand-stitched leather everywhere, real wood panels, brushed metal accents, and analog gauges that feel more like luxury watches than car instruments. There's no unnecessary clutter, no screens trying to distract you. Everything feels deliberate, elegant, and timeless. The steering wheel has weight, the controls feel solid, and the cabin feels more like a private lounge than a car interior. This is not a vehicle made for mass production, and Cadillac knows it. The V16 Roadster is a statement piece. It exists to remind the world that American luxury isn't dead. It was just waiting for the right moment to strike back. Cadillac didn't chase Rolls-Royce or Bentley by copying them. They did it by embracing their own identity, their own history, and pushing it to an extreme. What truly shocked the world wasn't just the price tag, it was the confidence behind it. Cadillac didn't tease this car for years. They didn't soften the blow. They just revealed a $1 million Roadster and let the world react. And react it did. Some called it madness, others called it genius, but no one ignored it. Is it worth $1.2 million? If you're looking for logic, efficiency, or value for money, probably not. But if you're buying rarity, history, craftsmanship, and a piece of automotive rebellion, this Cadillac makes a powerful case. This isn't transportation, it's a statement, a collectible, and a warning shot to the luxury world. This might be the boldest Cadillac ever built, and whether you love it or hate it, one thing is undeniable. Cadillac is done playing safe. If this car shocked you as much as it shocked me, hit that like button, subscribe for more insane automotive content, and drop a comment below. Would you choose this Cadillac over a Rolls-Royce or Bentley? I'll see you in the next one. Natus!